And Operation Mizzen reportedly is an operation targeting, I understand, 10 people involved in anti-water charges protests. I understand that includes myself, and it's based on surveillance of those people because they're involved in protests. And that's a bit sinister, and it represents political policing.
Engage in technical surveillance, lawful interception, and no public representative or member of the public is subject to such surveillance by operation.
Exactly. So the key word there is such surveillance, because it doesn't say they're not subject to surveillance.
Well, they said that open source, they're using open source. They're looking at your Facebook and Twitter, Paul. I mean, I look at your Facebook and Twitter every day.
Do you?
I see your Twitter most days. Anyway, but that's the point. I mean, yeah, there are lots of people watching your Twitter and Facebook.
But look, I've no problem with people looking at my Twitter and Facebook, right? If that's all that's well, no. There are.
You know, they're not following you here, are they? Do you think
I don't know. I don't think they are. You know, but there can be an attempt to ridicule the idea that we have an admission now from the Minister of Justice, that there is a surveillance operation against anti-water charges protesters. No matter what method they're using, that's a bit sinister, and it's certainly a waste of Garda resources, in my opinion. I mean, where a protest happens, is it appropriate in some circumstances that the Gardaí turn up to make sure everything is peaceful? That's fine. I've no problem with that, but they don't need to be surveilling me or other anti-water charges activists. And on what basis would they be doing that? And I think that's an example of political policing.